name is John Nolan Haas Jr. I'm a lifetime resident of Lehi, Utah. I've lived here for nearly 60 years. I was born in the Lehi Hospital on January 13th, 1954, and I grew up in Lehi. My home was right off Main Street, and so I ran the streets of Main Street my whole life. I am a Lehi historian for Lehi City. I head up the Lehi City Archives. In the last year and a half, we moved to the building where we have the archives and are restoring and obtaining photographs, documents, biographies, and histories of Lehi. We are dedicated to preserving the history of Lehi. The heritage of Lehi is so important. If we don't save the photographs and documents now, they'll all be gone. We learn from history. We enjoy history. History makes us what we're proud of. If you're Jewish, you're proud of your Jewish heritage. I'm a Lehite, and I'm proud of my Lehi heritage. Restore.TV is going to have a display of the saloons of Lehi and of Utah. We've got a collection of photographs and that bring back the historical nature of the saloons. Where Restore.TV is located, almost the whole block to the east on that side of the street were all saloons and bars. And it was the least photographed area of Main Street because no one took photographs of it. They just drank at it. So this is a significant thing for us to pay tribute to the saloons of Lehi.
Albert Scow.
Okay, so how do you feel? I didn't know you looked so Are you happy?
Somebody made a mistake.
No, I don't think so. I wish my name could be there. So, congratulations.
Speak to me, darling, oh speaky, spiky, spokey. Dry those tears on your cheeky, chikey, chokey. Give me long love and I seeky, psyche, soaky. Or I'll jump in the creaky, cracky, croaky. I'll forget it. I'll forget it.
Lehi Roller Mills was made famous in what film? A. Flashdance. B. Dirty Dancing. C. Footloose. And the answer is C. Footloose.
My name is Ruth Tyson, and I have lived in Lehi since 1979. I moved here, and I was actually raised on the East Coast and born in Brooklyn. And I love Lehi. I love that we're doing the celebration of Lehi Heritage. I love getting dressed up, and that's the best part. And I love that when people get really excited and come and learn more about Lehi and what it used to be like a long time ago, and focusing on different memories that they have.
I'm Evelyn Wilcock Yates from Lehi. I've lived here since 1948.
1948. What do you think about this event?
It's a wonderful event. We've worked on the committee that planned it.
A plate of potatoes, mashed potatoes, and gravy cost 10 cents. And they used to have an ice cream bar too, but we like the potatoes.
It's been very fun. It's been very interesting. We've enjoyed it.
My favorite part of this whole event, I love that they are honoring couples that have done fantastic things and service, because we who are younger, and even my children, I have 16 grandchildren, and those grandchildren don't know what those people did.
Well, we liked looking at the exhibit in Restore.TV. That had a lot of fun pictures to look at.
Well, I think it's been great. I love history. I teach history over on State Street in Lehi, as a matter of fact, at a private school there, and I love history. I love learning about the history of the town, and I think it's a terrific event. There's a lot of people here, and the presenters are terrific. They really know their stuff and really clearly love the town, love the history of the town. I think it's terrific. I think it's a great event.
I think it's great. I think it shows the history of the town, and I love looking at the old pictures and where the buildings are and what they used to be.
And the list is very long, all the businesses that have been in here, because these buildings are really old. They go back to the 1800s, you know. So it's been a real success. We've had a good crowd, I think.
When the Lehi Sugar Factory was built back in the 1890s, an influx of so many people came to help build that. And so 4 out of 24 new businesses in Lehi were saloons. And so that is what this building is known for.
I think it'd be great to have this next year. There's a lot of people that move in and out of the city, and for everyone to understand the historical significance of Old Main Street Lehi is a good thing.
It's been great. Everybody's done such a great job, all the displays and everything.
Willie Moore was a king, his age 21. He courted a damsel fair. Her eyes were bright as diamonds in the night, and raven black was her hair. He courted her both night and by day, till to marry they did agree. When they went to get her parents' consent, they said it could never be. She threw herself in Willie Moore's arms, as oft times she had done before. But little did he know when they parted that night, sweet Hannah he would see no more. It was about the 10th of May, the time I remember well. That very same day her body disappeared in a way that no one could.
Thanks to everybody that participated in our interviews and everybody that was part of this event. And I hope this event for next year get even better and bigger.
I want to tell you how wonderful Restore.TV is. They are providing a service. They've gone way out of their way to provide for us this display of saloons, and we are so grateful for them to be our sponsor. Thank you, Restore.TV. We love you.